Today, I'll be demonstrating about administering ophthalmic medication. But first, wash our hands first or perform hand hygiene. So, I already performed hand hygiene. And next is identify patient using two identifiers and check MAR. To check MAR. So, what is your name, ma'am?
My name is Vic Oliveros.
Okay, ma'am. Age?
16,
Birthday?
November 23, 2008.
So, tumutugma naman po yung mga sinasabi mo sa ating MAR. Anong language ang prefer nyo ma'am?
English, but I preferably Ilocano.
Ilocano. So, Ilocano is we were using today. So, ating giagas ma'am, i-compare tayo so na yung MAR, when yung doctor's note nga, dito ba talaga giagas nga itid ko kanya ma'am. So, mat ma'am, so dito DJ agas nga itid ko kanya ma'am to your ophthalmic area. So, let's start, ma'am. So, may I ask you, ma'am, to sit down? So, nakasit down kami then, ma'am. And tilt your head upward. So, umuna, ma'am, sakbay ko nga patatadan tamatam, ma'am, ti medication. Sakbay tayo igit-igit tamatam, ma'am. Or dito yung ti babati. Ay mo, ma'am, tap na makita no, dabati rugit na or awan, ma'am.
Is that clean?
Yes, ma'am. It's clean, ma'am. We practice hand hygiene. Yan. So, napunasan na, ma'am. Agay patadtadan, ma'am. Ti agas, ti tayong matamon, ma'am. Tag 1 drop. So, guyudok pa baba, ma'am. Timatang. Yan. 1. Kidum mo lang, ma'am. Dibanger, ma'am. Kidum mo lang, ma'am. Kasta lang, ma'am. Ma'am, nadati agtad-tadita matam, ma'am, or rumor man di jing kabel ko, ma'am, or agluwa ka man, ma'am. Usaram di ti kapas, ma'am, dat nung mangkuna si tenti luwam, ma'am. I-support ko, ma'am.
You do it for me, sis.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Next, ma'am, is ask the patient to close his eye gently and wipe away excess eye drops. Perform punctual occlusion, close eyes, and press down gently on the inner corner of the eye for 1 to 2 minutes. This allows the medicine to be absorbed and prevent it from being drained into the back of the throat. So, ma'am, using eye to finger mo, ma'am, press dito yung kasi ti mata, ma'am, for 1 to 2 minutes. Gently press lang, ma'am. So, ganyan, ma'am. Ito yung apart, ma'am. Ito yung, ma'am. And lastly, recap the eye bottle and storm it in a cool area or instructed on the table. You may experience a bitter taste at the back of the throat if punctual occlusion is not performed. This is normal when Medicaid eye drops are used. So, okay na, ma'am. Mabalin ka nga agmulagatan, ma'am. So, that's the end of the administering ophthalmic medication. Thank you.